So in slideshow there will be a slides, and your voice will be there. And for that, so firstly just ensure that there are no other sources. You can remove those sources by clicking on this minus button. Now let's add image slideshow. So click on this plus button and click on image slideshow. Click OK. So here scroll down and click on plus. So there are two options, add files or a directory. So if you have all the image slides in a directory, you can select add directory, or you can add manually by clicking on add files. So just remember one point here, this will not take PowerPoint slides as its input, so you will have to convert those PowerPoint slides into images before uploading here. So let's click on this add file. So these are my slides in the form of images. I will select these 5 slides and click on OK. You can check the sequence if it is correct or not. Otherwise you can move it upward in inward direction by using these 2 keys. So let's click on OK. You can resize it. You can see the slide is moving automatically, and if I click on this start recording, the video will start and the slides will move automatically, and you can speak, so that will get recorded. But in general we want that the slide should in our control, and if we click any button on keyboard, then it should move forward or backwards. So we will have to assign key for that. So let's first remove this automatic portion, automatic setting. So I am going to click on select this, and or you can right click and click on properties. Now you can see here the slide mode is automatically, so you can click on manual. Okay, one more thing, if it is automatically, you can change the speed by changing these values, 800 transition time between slides and transition speed. So you can change the values and you can control the speed of slide movement, but we want it to be manual, so we will have to click on this manual. So you can see here that use hotkeys to control slide sheet. So we will have to assign some hotkey for that, and there's a checkbox also for loop. So if you want that after the last slide the slide should begin, then you can click on this checkbox. Otherwise you can deselect it if you don't want it to be in a loop. So click on OK. Now you can see the slide is not moving, so we will have to assign hotkeys for the slide movement. So click on File, Settings, Hotkeys, scroll down. In this image slideshow, you can see this next slide. So select this, and now listen carefully. Click right arrow key on keyboard. Right arrow key on keyboard. So right arrow key on keyboard is assigned for forward slide movement. For previous slide, select this one and click on backward arrow key on the keyboard. So that's it. So we have assigned 2 keys, left and right arrow key, for forward and backward movement of slideshow. Click on OK. Now if I click right arrow key, then the slide will move forward, and if I click on backward arrow key, the slide will move backward. Now we can start our recording. Click on start recording. and now you can speak about these slides, and you can control the movement by clicking on forward arrow key or backward arrow key. Stop recording. Let's see recording. Start recording, and now you can speak about these slides, and you can control the movement by clicking on forward arrow key. So this is the recording. You can see this is the slideshow recording.